थैंक यू डॉक्टर समृद्धि, थैंक यू अंशिता आने के लिए और इतनी सारी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें बताई.
Thank you so much for
Pleasure.
having me. I learned a lot today. Genuinely, I
Thank you
learned
so
a lot.
much.
We all learned actually वो जो रात में सनस्क्रीन लगाने वाली
That
बात
was
थी,
a new
वो-
topic.
That was very
Yeah,
interesting.
definitely. Something I'll take away with me today.
Hi, I'm Shaili Mehrotra, founder of Fix Derma India. We are here to fix your skin.
Hi guys, my name is Anshita and I'm the founder of Fix My Curls. We're a curly and wavy hair care brand made to help you embrace your natural texture.
Hi, I'm Dr. Samriddhi Sharma here. I'm a skin and hair care expert.
Welcome to the first episode of Let's Get क्या था यार?
Get
Oh,
Skin
Smart. Welcome to the first episode of Get Skin Smart with Shaili. Today we have very interesting guests with us. Anshita, who is my daughter, as well as she's founder of Fix My Curls, and Dr. Samriddhi, she's a dermatologist working with Fix Derma. Today we'll discuss about skincare and hair care and try to understand more about it.
So, Mom, you've been in the skincare industry for like the last decade or more. You probably have seen the entire progression, everything that's happened pre-COVID, post-COVID, fads, things that are actually true and work. How has your journey been? And honestly, what do you think about the industry today from where it was maybe when you started?
So I think skincare has really evolved in last so many years, and I started in 2010. Since then, there's a huge change. I'll say a sea change right now. When I started Fix Derma back then, people were aware about skincare definitely, but the products which were available had a very pharmaceutical look. They used to visit a doctor when they have a fungal infection or a very serious acne problem
Right.
or any skin related disorders. Then they used to visit a dermat. But now, thanks to social media, people have so much information, so much knowledge about ingredients and different skin problems, and
Correct.
sometimes even find a solution on their own. Yeah.
But why did you think like I have to start Fix Derma? Like what was the main reason or what was the mission statement like 15 years ago? Because today I feel like brands start because they want to fill specific gaps, but I imagine when you started the whole industry was just a big gap, right? Like,
Yeah.
there was barely any players making in India. So like why Fix Derma?
So, first, as the name suggests, fixed derma means fixing your derma, fixing your skin. So that's how we, thought about the name, and it really fits the bill perfectly.
Yeah.
We started in 2010, and as a family, we had just come back from Southeast Asia. We've stayed there for a very long time, and I have seen skincare there. It is like a daily, it's part of their life.
Yeah.
Skincare is part of their life. Every person, be it's a male or a female, they are really into it. So when we came back in 2007, me and my husband, we thought that there is definitely a huge gap in India because there were cosmetics available over the counter which had no functional part.
So no solution oriented.
And then we have pharmaceutical ointments available, white aluminum tubes in white boxes. So this was a perfect time to bring out functional skincare with a cosmetic look.
Right.
So that was the idea behind it, and the journey has been long, but I think we were quite successful in in sending our message across to people.
How do you feel like your offerings have evolved? Because I think I remember when I was a kid and you started, our main motto or like the main products that you'd sell would be sunscreen. There was such a great focus on sunscreen, and it's crazy because now 15 years later, today sunscreen is like the product of like
The
I don't
hero
know.
product.
Yeah, the hero product
Yeah.
of the last 2 years.
Yeah,
Like people are just building around sunscreen
Yeah.
now, anything
Right.
and everything. But I feel like we started sunscreen more than a
Long
decade
back.
ago, a long
Yeah,
time
a
ago,
decade, yeah.
with Shadow, right?
Yeah.
Like
Shadow. So we started with around 7-8 products: moisturizing lotion, moisturizing cream, and sunscreen products, and 2-3 products of pigmentation and face wash. But sunscreen, I mean, that time, if a dermat or a skincare specialist would prescribe you a sunscreen, you will use it.
Yeah.
And then once, after a week or 2 weeks, you'll just stop
Leave
it
it.
somewhere.
It
you won't use
it wasn't a need,
Yeah.
but
It was like people never took it seriously.
Hmm.
But in last 4 years, 5 years, I've seen people are really aware. It should be part of your daily skincare regimen. It's a must.
I have to add here, I feel like it's a must today as well because of the depleting ozone layer and because there's been so much of a change.
Yeah.
Since like 15 years ago, no one was really talking about how hot it is or the fact that
Yeah.
your skin is getting damaged permanently. Today, I think everyone should know. And I don't know, it's crazy to me that you guys started on the sunscreen bandwagon 15
Back then.
years ago.
Yeah.
That is such a
It's
long
a very
time
long
ago. And
time.
that is so far ahead of, honestly, any of the other brands, especially in India. I'm talking more India focused. I
Yes,
feel like
yes.
outside of India, so many people already know that sunscreen is a staple product. But I feel like Fix Derma did it before anyone else even thought about it.
And you won't believe, even the getting all the tests done for sun protection factor and the blue light and UVA,
Right.
UVB, all these tests were not available here.
Hmm.
So we used to send our products to France.
So now there are a lot
Yeah.
of brands that are coming up with all this. And
Yeah.
Fix Derma did it 10-15 years back.
Yes. So डॉक्टर समृद्धि, आपको क्या लगता है स्किन केयर 10 सालों में कहाँ से कहाँ तक आया है और what changes, कितने changes आए हैं पहले से?
So, as a doctor and like seeing all the clinical cases, I personally feel कि COVID times में, when we all were sitting घर पे, so everyone was looking at their pictures, in a personified way, right? I mean, they were looking at it in a zoomer manner where they could see a lot of concerns on their faces, and there I think everyone wanted to look good because they were connected via social media or maybe Zoom calls or anything. So people used to come to me and say, online consultations also, they used to have this concern कि we have, freckles, scars. Maybe they didn't see these concerns back then. But in COVID, I think the concern of looking good and the self-care, it actually boomed a lot. So from there, the skincare became a trend, and there were a lot of trends that came in after COVID.
पर आपको किचन हैक्स भी बहुत स्टार्ट हो गए थे और
हाँ.
अभी भी चल रहे हैं.
So the DIYs were
Yeah,
a lot.
yeah. बहुत से लोगों को अभी भी लगता है कि वो किचन के से या फिर वो गूगल करके
Right.
या यूट्यूब पे देख के खुद ही बना सकते हैं और लगा सकते हैं. तो
Correct.
क्या वो ठीक है या
So DIYs are somewhere, I would say, some are safe and some are not safe. Some are healthy. जो दादी नानी के नुस्खे होते थे उस टाइम पे, so like curd on face, it's good because it has got lactic acid into it, so you can exfoliate better, you can hydrate better. But when it comes to something like lemon or vinegar, you can't put it on the skin, directly burn हो जाएगा. So a lot of people nowadays, they do see DIYs on YouTube and they start doing it at home.
Right.
So not all DIYs are safe, some are unsafe also. So you should always consult your dermat. I mean, along with the prescription, if you want to go for some DIY, you can go ahead.
मुझे लगता है कि ये फेसबुक और इंस्टा पे ये सारे आइडियाज कभी कभी बहुत डेंजरस होते हैं. मुझे आज भी याद है हाउ वन ऑफ माय आंटी, शी इज नो मोर नाउ, उनको किसी ने बताया था कि वो पीपल के पेड़ की छाल लगाएंगी स्किन पे तो उनको वो जो उनके
So just like I think toothpaste on
हाँ,
pimples,
वो ठीक हो
that was
जाएगा.
also there.
And you won't believe, she was 17 that time. I'm talking about long back. And when she died, the scar was still there. तो वो जो पीपल के छाल थी उसने वो और खराब कर दिया था
Made
अपना
it
face.
worse.
And she died at the age of 83, 87 something. So imagine कि ये kitchen hacks can be very dangerous.
dangerous.
मैंने तो टूथपेस्ट यूज किया हुआ है अपने फेस पे जब मुझे एक्ने हुआ था. आई थिंक व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर मुझे तो टूथपेस्ट ही समझ में आया था बिकॉज आई डिडंट हैव एक्सेस टू, आई डोंट नो, एन एक्ने
ठीक हो गया था acne?
cream. हाँ हुआ था. मतलब सूख गया था ना.
हाँ,
That was
right,
the whole
right.
point.
So that's the point. वो dry कर देता है, but it will not cure your acne. It can sometimes burn also.
I think toothpaste उस moment में बहुत quick fix था, so I just went for it. But is it damaging?
Absolutely, it is damaging.
To the
because-
barrier?
Yeah, yes, it is damaging to the barrier, and it can obviously bring on a lot more pigmentation on the face once it dries out.
और बहुत कॉमन है हल्दी लगाने के लिए बोलते हैं. हल्दी का पेस्ट लगा लो मुंह पे, बेसन में मिला के। मुझे याद है मैंने वो किया था एंड आई टर्न येलो, और वो तो 3 दिन लग गए थे, वो आई कुडंट गो टू स्कूल।
तो कलर निकला नहीं था?
नहीं।
So turmeric has a good antioxidant property, but overuse of turmeric can bring that color. I mean overdoing it. Keeping it for a long time, you can have that.
बट फिर एक्चुअल जो हल्दी सेरेमनी होती है उसमें क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah, so it works. It works if
नहीं,
you
पर हल्दी
properly
सेरेमनी
put it.
में मिलाते हैं ना कुछ उसमें,
So you can
हाँ,
mix dahi
मैंने
into
तो
it.
डायरेक्ट हल्दी लगा ली थी फेस के।
Oh my god.
So
ये
that
मुझे
can
नहीं पता था. I thought that सच में हल्दी लगा रहे हो फेस पे, like
नहीं,
just
उसके अंदर बेसन या मलाई या कुछ।
हाँ, anything you can mix into it to
मिला के।
dilute it.
तो ये भी तो एक technically it's like a kitchen hack,
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
I mean it's not something जो करना चाहिए, but now it's a tradition, तो लोग तो कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, पुराना ट्रेडिशन चला आ रहा है क्योंकि उस टाइम में of course skincare was not available.
And I think
This was
people
one
were not
idea.
aware of these treatments that are coming now. You
Yeah.
know, the quick fixes that are coming.
Makes sense.
So Anshita, coming to hair care industry, DIY hair care में अभी what all is going on, and I mean what is it?
तो आई थिंक कुछ साल पहले सिर्फ DIY के ऑप्शंस थे, स्पेशली फॉर कर्ली हेयर, वेवी हेयर, फ्रिजी हेयर, ड्राई हेयर के लिए कोई और ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं था जनरली. दैट्स आल्सो व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड फिक्स माय कर्ल्स, क्योंकि जब मैं गूगल करती थी फ्रिजी हेयर सॉल्यूशंस तब DIY ही आते थे कि अंडे को और
Like mixing
अंडे
egg
को,
into-
ऑलिव ऑयल को और पता नहीं और क्या मेयोनीज को मिक्स करो, उससे हेयर मास्क बनेगा और
हाँ.
फिर उसको बालों पे अप्लाई करके धो दो. सो यही एक ऑप्शन था एंड मैंने किया हुआ है. मतलब मैंने तो आई थिंक बनाना, एग एंड समथिंग एल्स, बनाना, कर्ड, एग, इनको भी मिक्स करके एक मिल्क शेक बना के बालों पे डाला हुआ
But,
है मास्क की तरह यूज करने के लिए, बिकॉज it was softening. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि उससे प्रॉब्लम जो है वो सॉल्व नहीं हो रही, क्योंकि इन रियलिटी आपके जो फ्रिजी बाल है वो एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो एक
Right. It's a type.
मतलब it's you have a hair type, but वो फ्रिजी दिखते हैं उसकी वजह से. बट कुछ साल पहले, एंड आई थिंक almost 5 years back, सिर्फ DIY treatments थे and they were very popular.
Right.
I mean आज भी चलते हैं, but I think it's people have become more educated, so there's lesser DIY treatments now. But एक पॉइंट पे मैंने भी किए हैं DIY treatments.
So did it actually work for you?
See, I think to a certain extent कुछ DIY treatments work उस moment में, but immediately afterwards वही problem वापस आ जाती है. So I would say better to use actual products made for your hair type.
So Shelly ma'am, अंशिता के बाल शुरू से कर्ली हैं. So how you have dealt with it, and आपने क्या क्या चीजें ट्राई करी हैं just to make sure कि she doesn't, you know?
So you are talking like 20-25 साल पहले, right? तो जब अंशिता was born, इसके बहुत कर्ली बाल, very really curly hair. और you know how people give you advices.
Tips,
You know, I was a very young mom, और मुझे तो कुछ लोगों ने बोला, अरे ये तो बहुत कर्ली बाल है, आप इसको शेव करा दो, मुंडन करा दो इसका, और 3-4 बार कराओगे तो फिर शायद नहीं आएगी कर्ली. एंड सॉरी टू से आई डिड इट.
बट आपने तो 10 बार
नहीं,
कराया
इतनी
था
बार
मुंडन.
नहीं, इतनी बार नहीं कराया था. 4
एटलीस्ट 5 बार
4 बार कराया था, और फिर वही अंदर से कॉइल्स निकलते थे, कर्ली बाल निकलते थे. वो और मैं किसी पार्टी में जाती थी तो अंशिता को देखते ही मुझे पूछते थे, ये पहले तो इज शी योर डॉटर, guys to like and say yeah, ये are they real? Yes, they are real. बहुत कर्ली है, इसको तो स्कूल के लिए लेट होता होगा, या कैसे करते हैं आप,
कि manage कैसे करते हो,
मैनेज कैसे करते हो. तो हाँ, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस एंड हम लोगों ने भी बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट किए हैं. मैं ही इसकी पोनी बना पाती थी और nobody else could do it. It was a task actually.
So was I mean oiling a solution?
Yeah, ऑयल तो कहाँ जाता था पता ही नहीं चलता था. इतना सारा ऑयल डालना, फिर उसके बाद फ्लैट्स बनानी, कोम करना. It was it was interesting. But she has beautiful hair.
Yeah,
Now,
absolutely.
And you know when she was like 7-8 years old, तो जो इसकी मेड थी, इसके सारे बालों में बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स लगाती थी. फ्लावर्स गिरते ही नहीं थे, सारे सिर में फ्लावर्स लगे रहते थे. तो कुछ yeah, it was
tough to manage back then.
Yeah.
But now,
मतलब मुझे ये सब याद नहीं है. अब मुझे तो यही याद है कि I think around the age of 10 कि स्कूल में फंक्शन होता था तो मेरे ही बाल ऑनेस्टली तब सबसे बुरे लगते थे और मुझे लगता था कि मैं क्या करूं. और ऑब्वियसली एक 10 साल के बच्चे के बाल आप सीधे नहीं करोगे, राइट? दैट वाज लाइक डेफिनेटली अ नो. बट I think मुझे तो यही याद है कि it was very difficult. You also struggled. I also struggled.
And I remember you asked one auntie to buy you fake straight hair. It was a wig, long hair wig. So wear that all the time.
Yeah, एक blonde wig था. I used
tried
to
that
wear
also.
Yeah. And she really wanted straight hair. एक तो South Asia में भी with there, वहाँ पे curly बाल होते भी नहीं है. It's not common.
हाँ, सबके सीधे बाल हैं तो I think actually इंडिया में curly hair is so much more common. वो actually आपको दिख जाते हैं इधर उधर. But
Anshita, but the fact here is कि अगर आपके बाल curly हैं, so they will stay curly because आपका
Of
जो
course.
hair follicle है and your hair bulb that remains the same, right?
Yeah,
The
it's genetics.
size of the follicle also remains the same. So आप change नहीं कर सकते अपना hair type, no matter what DIY you try. Still you have lovely curly hair. But people who have, I mean, because you've come with Fix My Curls, right? So maybe you found the solution because that was a problem to you, right? So I would like to know more about Fix My Curls and what is the solution that you are actually looking ahead with.
Yeah, so Fix My Curls is a curly and wavy hair care brand. And of course, मैंने Fix My Curls 5 साल पहले शुरू किया था क्योंकि जब मैं इंडिया वापस आई थी कॉलेज से मुझे यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं मिले थे. वेदर इट वाज Amazon या Nykaa, कहीं पे भी प्रोडक्ट्स इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं थे. दूसरे ब्रांड्स कर्ली हेयर के बारे में सोच नहीं रहे थे तो आई थॉट कि अब अगर हमारे बारे में कोई नहीं सोचेगा तो मुझे ही सोचना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आई हैव टू लिव विद दिस एंड आई नीडेड टू फाइंड द सोल्यूशन. एंड आई थिंक मेरे लिए मोर देन अ प्रॉब्लम इट वाज कि देखो मेरे बाल ऐसे ही रहने वाले हैं हमेशा
You've
के लिए.
accepted your hair.
हाँ, मैंने
the way they
एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था कि दिस इज माई हेयर टाइप एंड इट वाज डेफिनेटली डिफिकल्ट. बट एक पॉइंट था व्हेन आई इन अराउंड 2015 आई थिंक आई टर्न्ड 16. मैंने अपने बाल परमानेंटली स्ट्रेट करवा लिए थे तो मैंने आई थिंक स्मूथनिंग करवाई थी तब एंड उससे इतना डैमेज हुआ है. एंड आई थिंक when I was starting Fix My Curls ना मुझे वो डैमेज याद आया कि I lost half my hair thinking कि मैं नहीं बदल सकती हूँ
Correct.
और फिर ये हमेशा के लिए अब सीधे रहेंगे. बट शॉर्टली कुछ 3 महीने बाद ट्रीटमेंट के they started
They
growing
got
curly again.
back to the same.
बट फिर कोई आपको बताता नहीं है ना. सलोन में भी अगर आप जाओ nobody is telling you कि देखो आपके तो बाल ऐसे ही रहने वाले हैं.
Right.
वो आपको एक फॉल्स एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ बेच देते हैं
Correct.
सोल्यूशन. तो इसलिए आई थॉट कि मुझे अपने जैसे लोगों के लिए सोल्यूशन बनाना है सो दैट दे डोंट फील चीटेड एंड दे फील लाइक दिस पर्सन एंड दिस ब्रांड हैज माई हेयर टाइप इन माइंड. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज द होल रीजन ऑफ स्टार्टिंग Fix My Curls. ऑफ कोर्स मेरी अपनी जर्नी है.
हाँ, if you remember कितना ऑब्सेशन होता है स्ट्रेट बालों का. इसको बहुत ऑब्सेशन था. She was I think 14 year old or 13 or 14.
हाँ,
and
तो
she
the
said
obsession
I want to
have straight hair.
want to have straight hair for this one party was there. और we
it
went
was
to a
prom.
salon.
It was prom.
उसने बोला कि नहीं ये तो बाल मैं नहीं आयरनिंग कर सकता, इसको मैं सीधे नहीं कर सकता. We went to another salon और फिर उसने इसकी लिटरली जो आयरन होती है उससे इसके बाल सीधे किए.
And how much
जैसे हम
harm it would
कपड़े
have
press
done.
करते हैं उससे बाल सीधे
Yeah.
किए.
But
मतलब
Anshita, but I want to know one thing from you. Like having curly hair, what is your hair care routine in general?
See, hair care routine honestly बहुत easy है. Curly hair के लिए 1-2 steps ज़्यादा होते हैं. Apart from straight hair, of course. Straight hair में आप shampoo condition करते हो, blow dry करते हो, done, right? But for curly hair and wavy hair, तो basically अगर आप frizz के साथ deal कर रहे हो, there are 2 extra steps. First step after shampoo and conditioning is कि गीले बालों पे you have to apply a leave-in cream or a curl cream ताकि वो moisture retain हो जाए and that frizz is significantly reduced basically. और आपका जो natural texture है वो बाहर आ जाता है. उसके ऊपर से you have to apply a gel. Gel से वो moisture lock हो जाता है फिर when your hair dries it can stay the way my hair is for a few days.
Okay.
तो वो एक कुछ दिनों का solution है definitely, but at the end of the day Fix My Curls also teaches people acceptance.
Right.
कि आपके प्री शैम्पू वाले बाल भी अच्छे हैं और वो हैं और वो रहेंगे, and उसके बाद भी once you use our solutions your hair looks amazing, but the reality is we have a different hair type. And एक beauty standard जो होता है ना straight hair का, we have broken that. I think today that has been broken. कि सीधे बाल does not equal beautiful बाल, right? You can have a different texture. So I think that's what we are doing, and honestly that my routine is mostly telling myself that it's okay, क्योंकि अभी भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो कहते हैं कि सीधे कर लो, ये real है, ये ऐसे क्यों है? You know, I mean, and I think you just have to ignore those people, but I think इसलिए community भी बहुत important है.
Self acceptance is the key, whether it's hair care, whether it's skin care.
Skincare, right. I think
For sure.
same goes in our skincare industry also. We, as Fixerma, we tell people we are not here to make you prettier or
Right.
fairer.
Right.
We won't be able to change your skin tone.
Right.
We can keep your skin healthy.
But I think pre-COVID
That's-
कोई believe नहीं करता था. As far as I remember, pre-COVID, which is also when we had just started, तब सबको एक prettier version ही बनना था, right? वो concept of self-care and all,
I think it's
COVID
the
के time
technology
पे-
advancement and the social media that has
I think
pushed.
हाँ,
even
तो-
I will agree to her.
क्योंकि अब जब आप घर पे बैठे हो आप मेकअप नहीं
हाँ।
करोगे, एंड ड्यूरिंग कोविड किसी को भी मतलब मेकअप रूटीन नहीं याद आ रही थी.
हाँ।
ये था कि लेट्स जस्ट सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कैमरा,
Right.
रियल कंटेंट बनाते हैं, दिस इज माय रियल फेस, आई एम एट
नहीं,
होम एंड आई हैव
मुझे-
नो चॉइस.
I don't agree with you. The COVID is not the reason. I think social media ने बहुत बड़ा role play किया
The
है.
beauty standards
Yeah.
have been very
So
high.
in one way it is a blessing.
Yeah.
Of course
Others
it's not a
suppose.
blessing when people are trying to find solutions on their own. They are not meeting or seeing a dermat. But मुझे लगता है social media ने बहुत एक एक level create किया है कि आपकी skin जैसी भी है आप उसको accept करो.
Yeah. And that is why in clinics also, I think patients come, ma'am, we want to have a skin like Alia Bhatt, or somewhere like Korean skin.
हाँ,
They're
that skin.
comparing their skins
Correct,
there.
correct.
So that's the expectations they have.
So here we are trying to solve this problem. अगर आपको pigmentation है तो we will clear out pigmentation. अगर आपका वो acne है, we can clean up your acne.
Right.
Such skin tags हैं that can be done, making them more aware. कि ये like हमने अभी Fixerma में एक बहुत ही interesting product launch किया था, Nigrifix for acanthosis nigricans. तो इसमें आपका neck देखा
dark
होगा
neck
तुम लोगों
that
ने,
is
बहुत common है. Neck और elbow और knees बहुत dark होते हैं कुछ
Look
लोगों के.
pigmented.
लेदरी सी स्किन होती है, थिक
Right.
लेदरी स्किन. तो पहले सबको लगता था कि दैट पर्सन इज मे बी नॉट शावरिंग प्रॉपर्ली,
हाँ.
उसको अपनी
Correct.
हाइजीन का ध्यान नहीं रखता है, ना उसको रगड़ रगड़ के साफ नहीं करता है.
People were scrubbing and then also not
यस,
cleaning.
तो ये प्रॉब्लम थैंक्स डॉक्टर्स, हमें बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स ने बोला ब्रिंग आउट अ प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इट्स अ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम. और हम लोग जनरली उनको कुछ 2-3 प्रोडक्ट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन बताते हैं. आई थिंक
Right.
आपको ही पता ही होगा.
Right.
तो फिर हमें लगा कि नहीं, वी शुड ब्रिंग आउट अ प्रोडक्ट वेयर दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन बी एड्रेस्ड.
Yeah.
तो
So that's
उसमें कुछ
where
टाइम लगता है
Right.
उसको ठीक होने में, बट डेफिनेटली इट कैन बी एड्रेस एंड मेक यू कैन गिव अ क्लियर स्किन.
So I think skincare is a 360-degree
हाँ.
when you sort your lifestyle, when you sort with your skincare, then when you sort with your gut, that is where everything comes into picture.
Right.
It's not just you apply something topically and it will go away in one day.
हाँ.
So it cannot happen.
I think बालों के साथ भी same story है. I think a lot of
It's
people
your
face hair fall. Hair fall is
Yeah.
one of the biggest problems in the
हाँ,
hair
हाँ.
industry.
हाँ.
और every next person is saying कि मेरे बाल क्यों गिर रहे हैं. बट उसके इतने सारे रीजंस हैं कि आप पिन पॉइंट भी नहीं कर सकते
Correct.
कि वो पानी की प्रॉब्लम है या
Someone who's
weather,
recently shifted.
या
Internal
फिर-
health problem
हाँ,
है,
stress
maybe
है,
आपका
hormones.
hemoglobin is low.
Right.
इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं. तो आई मीन आई थिंक इन द सेम वे स्किन हेयर सब कुछ एक 360 डिग्री व्यू लेना पड़ता है, विच आई थिंक वेरी फ्यू professionals today, dermats in the space, talk about the 360. क्योंकि I remember मेरे एक्ने के लिए I've gone to so many dermats और वो काफी rarely food के बारे में और मतलब बहुत basic बोल देते हैं बाहर का खाना मत खाओ. But
So they will
It's
not
also
tell
कि आप
you
घर
what's
पे
the
क्या
root
खा रहे
cause.
हो कि root cause क्या है
Right.
कि आपका gut is playing a factor. Like,
Right.
what do you think about this? Because I feel like बहुत कम लोगों को actually पता है, they use topical treatments and think this will solve it.
So I think your gut and your skin has a very big connection. There's something called as gut microbiome. So if you have good bacteria, ultimately your skin is gonna heal itself in a in a much faster way. But if you have bad bacteria, I mean the microbiome is not good, you're constipated, your hormones are not doing well, then ultimately you will land up in pigmentation issues or acne issues.
Gut बहुत new है ना. I mean, I think आज dermats शायद gut के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, but पहले 5-8 साल पहले it was या तो आपको बस आइसोट्रेटनोइन या कोई बहुत सीरियस मेडिसिन आप खा लो, एंटीबायोटिक्स ले लो, ठीक हो जाएगा. बट आई थिंक देयर इज अ लॉट मोर टू इट.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. डॉक्टर पहले भी बताते थे कि तला नहीं खाओ, बाहर का नहीं खाओ, इन अ मोर जनरल
Normal
आप पिन पॉइंट करते हैं कि एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास भी बहुत सारे आते हैं बच्चे, या वी हैव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन इन कस्टमर केयर on phone where people ask about acne कि जा नहीं रहा है, then we generally jump in and tell them कि हाँ आप किसी भी तरह की breads खाना बंद कर दो.
But ये बहुत
pizzas and all
surface level information. I think Dr. Samriddhi is saying that it goes much deeper than just quitting a few things.
So I think it's your good bacteria and your bad bacteria in your gut that can trigger your acne also. At the same time, आपके hormones. I mean, we do usually ask people to check their hormonal profile, right? Like your thyroid, or maybe your T3, T4, your TSH, or maybe their hemoglobin levels also. That's because that's one of the reasons where people are falling, they're having more of hair fall issues also.
And I think before, we started talking on the podcast, you'd mentioned something about cortisol also.
Yeah.
I think so. That also I've heard.
So stress definitely, that also plays a very big role. And your sleep cycle as well.
Yeah.
So these two things are very important.
Yeah.
I think
young
stress.
generation को समझाना बहुत जरूरी है because they love to sleep very late. I mean, most of them are awake.
So very
2
late
PM,
night
3
sleeping
PM they
habits.
sleep, they get up late, so their whole cycle is
Sleep
really
cycle.
disturbed. उसका ध्यान नहीं रखते.
So I think when your stress levels are high, that's where your acne is also triggered. Very well.
Yeah, I think no one tells you that. मतलब I remember कि food के बारे में I remember lots of conversations, but then I don't know, जब मैं डर्मैट के पास जाती थी तो it was more कि just it's hot, मतलब you're a teenager तो acne हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, सबको होता है, but I was eating anything and everything. मतलब I remember it was not like a strict कि मत करो, ये था कि topical ointment लगा लो,
Right.
and it's just gonna happen, ये वो age है. तो आई डोंट नो.
जैसे अभी ये इंस्टा पे या सोशल मीडिया पे इतने सारे डर्म गुरुज, स्किन गुरुज हैं जो आपको
They're guiding you about
गाइडेंस
skincare.
देते हैं. कभी वो किसी प्रोडक्ट को विलन बना देते हैं, कभी किसी को हीरो बना देते हैं. तो कैसे डील करें, लाइक नॉर्मल कस्टमर एंड नॉर्मल पब्लिक who's watching इंस्टा एंड
how can I tell कि फैड क्या है और सच क्या है, कि मैं किसको फॉलो करूं?
So I think skincare trends, there are multiple of them, but कुछ basic molecules होते हैं that people should know, like vitamin C, that is one of the antioxidants. So आप brightening के लिए अगर जाना चाहते हो, you can go for vitamin C. If you want to hydrate your skin and your skin is absolutely dry or maybe matured enough, then you can go for something like hyaluronic acid. Azelaic acid is again one of them, which helps in acne scarring, right? Again, niacinamide is one of them, which is like jack of all trades, but not my favorite because वो काम तो करता है, but at the same time कोई skin concern को sort नहीं करेगा आपकी. So these are few actives or molecules that one can talk to the dermat and then they can inculcate. I will not say to self-prescribe any actives in their regimen because ultimately that can lead to either barrier disruption or maybe it could lead to sometimes over-exfoliation also. Like overdoing of glycolic acid or lactic acid.
आपको लगता है आप डर्मेट के पास जाके उन्हें बताओ कि ये वाले इंग्रेडिएंट्स की प्रोडक्ट चाहिए? I don't think they'll be happy.
I mean, you can
They will
always
give
carry.
you-
No, you can always carry your products. This is what people do. They carry their products and they ask about the products.
No, they tell them कि ये हम लगा रहे थे, ये मुझे नहीं लगता उन्हें अच्छा लगेगा. आप उन्हें बताओ कि ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स हम
No,
लगाएं.
you ask the doctor what ingredients will suit your skin type. I mean, you can always ask.
maybe you as a dermat आपको ठीक लगे, but मुझे लगता है majority को तो नहीं लगेगा अच्छा कि अगर उनको बोलेंगे.
No, I personally tell this to all my patients, whatever questions they have, because there is a lot of knowledge on social media. There is Google Baba, which is sitting, and you can Google and tell today tranexamic acid also, which can do so much harm.
I have no idea about that.
So tranexamic acid is basically meant to lower down your melanin pigment. जो आपका मेलानिन होता है, that is like where you start getting the pigment spots or dark spots. उसको reduce करने के लिए you use this acid. But again, इसकी concentration and the way it has to be used in your skincare regimen, that has to be decided by your doctor, not by you.
Actually, skincare इतना vast subject है और हम लोग अपने और episodes में इन पे discussion करते रहेंगे. Especially pigmentation.
Right.
Pigmentation बहुत तरीके का
It's a
होता
vast
है.
topic.
Melasma बहुत different types का होता है.
And lot of people mix melasma
हाँ,
and hyperpigmentation
तो,
also.
हाँ, क्लोआस्मा, you know all these. तो इस पे भी हम लोग discussion करेंगे आगे वाले episodes में. Acne बहुत तरीके का होता है. You know, zits
Right.
and pustules and you know.
So there are stages of acne,
हाँ,
there are
stages
grades of acne.
तो ये discussion हम करेंगे
Right.
so that हमारे जो viewers हैं उनको और पता चले कि एक्चुअली जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है वो कैसे उसको रिलेट कर सकते हैं. अनिशा, तुम्हारा
Just your skincare regimen.
रूटीन यू फॉलो क्या करती है? लाइक
Look, I have मतलब very acne prone skin, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि ये सही है या गलत है, but I guess Dr. Samriddhi can tell me कि सही है या गलत है. So face wash, of course, a very
That's the first step.
yeah, of course, face wash. फिर उसके बाद toner.
Correct.
After toner, I usually mist my face a little bit
To
with-
hydrate it.
to
right?
hydrate it again.
Okay.
Then मैं पहले hyaluronic acid use कर रही थी winters में, but then I left
You
it,
switched.
and in summers I'm not using it
So
anymore.
when you have acne prone skin, you should avoid something like too much of
Too
hydration,
much of it.
where you can,
Pore
you know,
clogging, right?
yeah, so you can remove the hyaluronic acid for that.
Okay, so points for me. फिर उसके बाद I use like a moisturizing type of a cream that's healing,
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरा barrier अभी बहुत disrupted
So
है.
it's a
क्योंकि I've-
Sika-rich cream
Yes,
or
a Sika-rich cream.
Okay.
क्योंकि I have had a lot of acne in the past. I have scarring अभी तो
Right.
बहुत dry है मेरा face, so it's like honestly peeling also a little bit. So I think the Sika helps. फिर उसके बाद sunscreen and that's it. And फिर at night I switch the Sika for an oil. I'm using the transformation oil.
Okay. Don't mention.
You have more brands.
I can't say Fixderma. I don't use other brands.
You don't seriously? No,
Yeah.
I've seen you using.
No, I don't anymore. Why do you want to tell the public that I use anything else? Like,
No, it's okay.
Yeah, it's
Sounds
okay.
fun.
okay, but I don't.
No, but
But I
we don't-
seriously don't.
But we don't make micellar water.
I don't use that.
Oh.
But no, the only thing that I don't use that's not Fixderma or FCL is that spray, which is thermal water, because you guys don't make it, which you should. It's a good product.
I've suggested that to ma'am.
Yeah, thermal water. Okay,
It's
anyway,
very
I love
good.
thermal water. But moving on,
डॉक्टर का क्या रूटीन रहता है? लाइक हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट योर डे? क्या लगाते हो? कौन सी क्रीम्स लगाते हो?
So my routine looks like a face wash.
हाँ.
Obviously in the morning and at night, a foamy face wash because I have acne prone skin again. Layering it up with the hyaluronic acid at times, like twice in a week I do that because the skin somewhere is dry also and oily also at the same time. So just to balance it out. Then I layer it up with a gel based moisturizer and then obviously sunscreen in the morning.
Okay.
Right. So at night, I'm using right now azelaic acid, which also works on the acne scarring and reduces the acne spots or any kind of dark spots on the face. Layer it up with again a sunscreen. So I use the sunscreen at night as well.
Oh wow.
Yes.
ये तो मुझे भी मालूम.
So I've been using that at night as well.
why?
So you can always use sunscreen anytime. There's no time to sunscreen what I feel.
But how it helps in the night?
It's just to
मुझे
layer
तो यही
and
पता है कि sun से protect करने के लिए sunscreen.
so it's not only meant for sun. I personally feel because we've been on laptops, phones, and everything.
Ah.
So you can always use your sunscreen just to layer and give a good seal to your, moisturizer or any serum that you're using. A lot of doctors have been doing that.
Hot take.
That's
You're
a
on the
very,
hot
very,
seat right now.
Very interesting.
ये अगर public को पता चल गया,
It's okay. Let them. let them. But
This is
a lot of
very
doctors do
interesting.
it.
What?
Dr. Guneet, she's been.
Oh my god. Don't we'll beep
Yeah,
the name. Beep the
because,
name. Call calling doctors out कि रात को sunscreen use कर रहे हैं. My God.
So there
This
is
I'm shocked.
yeah. So you
इस पे
can
एक अलग
use
podcast होना चाहिए.
absolutely. I think sunscreen can have a lot of more of repairing and hydrating properties also.
हाँ
That
वो
can
तो
help.
है. अगर आपने बॉडी लोशन सनस्क्रीन बॉडी लोशन जैसे लगाया
Yeah.
तो आपको कोई लगाने की
Like
और
one-
मॉइस्चराइजर जरूरत
I think one person asked me, does it help with melasma? So why not? It's protecting your skin from so many things, right?
Yes, yes.
Like UVA, UVB, and then blue
Right.
lights.
Right.
So why not?
I just feel like it never ends. कि अब ये भी करो at
So
night.
maybe this can be a new
Now I'm
protocol
thinking,
for
like,
your.
should I be applying sunscreen before I sleep?
You can do that. There's nothing.
Because I'm
wrong.
always on my laptop and phone.
Yeah, so you can use it.
So
There's
I
nothing
didn't-
wrong in using sunscreen. Because we people are more towards the technology now, so I feel you should apply it.
Okay. I will take this tip home.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर समृद्धि, थैंक यू अंशिता आने के लिए और इतनी सारी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें बताई.
Thank you so much for
Pleasure.
having me. I learned a lot today. Genuinely. I
Thank you
learned
so
a lot.
much.
We all learned actually वो जो रात में सनस्क्रीन लगाने वाली
That
बात
was
थी,
a new
वो-
topic.
That was very
Yeah,
interesting.
definitely. Something I'll take away with me today.
Yeah.